that right there, that will frustrate you to the moon and back. Okay, that thing is frustrating. So guys, people will make videos to educate you. They don't give you all their tips. And in this video, I'm not going to give you all of mine either. But I'm going to teach you how to thread or bobbin, okay? So that you don't have to go through what I went through. Because this took me like a week or two trying to figure it out when I was learning how to use a sewing machine. I went to YouTube videos and they will show you how to thread a bobbin. But this particular little thing, I mean, it's so simple, but that's why it's hard to figure out, because it's so simple. There's a saying, something that you don't know is older than you. Until you figure it out, it's going to be older than you. All right, y'all? So I am going to show you how to thread a bobbin. And that one tiny little details, stay tuned for it. Because as I said, that will just save you a lot of stress. Okay? Let's do this. The thread is right there, okay? And you turn on your machine, all right? You cut this. So this is very important. So what you do first, this right here, you put it in here, okay? And this don't go like this. It doesn't go like this. It comes like this, okay? And then, all right, this, you put it in here, in there, and you hold it like this, okay, like this, and you put it in here, okay. All right, so when they teach you how to do this, they're done with you. They don't go further from here. They don't say anything else. They just do the little thing, that little thing I'm telling you about, and then they start. So I'm gonna show you this little tip. As you saw in the beginning when I was trying to do it, I said I'm gonna do that again to show you. You see, it's not gonna thread. Guys, this little tip gonna save your life. This little tip gonna make you happy. Watch this. All you have to do is to push this. Bam. That's it. This thing still over here is never gonna thread. Never. So you want to push it right there. And this here gonna, stop the thread wrapping around once it reaches to the point it's supposed to, fill up to. So this is it. Watch it. This is it, guys. This is your little tip, okay? It took me 2 weeks to figure this out. I thought something was wrong with my machine. Just let it go. That's how you thread a bobbin. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So in order to take this from over there, you gotta release it, okay? Because when you push it there, it holds it. So in order to get this off, you have to release it and pull it out and cut. So if you put this in the machine, this is for another day. We're gonna talk about that. But this right here, right now, y'all, it's important. This is gonna save you a lot of stress. This thing stressed the hell out of me. I couldn't figure it out, and I'm just trying to save a sister. Okay, if this help you out, let me know. If you need to see more, I'll be willing to help out. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe, share, comment, and turn on the bell, okay? I got more coming.